Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am Vijay. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's discuss today's topic. Today we can discuss occurrences, count of occurrences in each character in a string. In string, multiple characters is there. We need to count the occurrences, how many types repeated the each character. We need to find out and we need to display the occurrences of the each character using string. This is one of the interview question. How we can implement? I will explain. This is a Java 8 using Streams API. We will give each character. We will give each character class name. Here main, I will mention main. And I will write the string value. String str equal to character is Jaladhi Soft Technology. This is a string value. We need to count. You can write the map string long. Count char. Here we need to write the arrays dot stream dot, we need to pass str string dot split we need to give like this. This is a split dot collect. Here we need to write the collectors. We need to write the collectors dot grouping by function dot identity and collectors dot count. Collectors dot count. This is one. This is the splitting the string values and counting and grouping the values. How many that means each character how many times repeated. This is the way to implement, and we need to display this one. Count character dot for each key comma value sys out character key is a character count. We will give next line count. We can display this one. See here how many character spaces it will give 2 times. This is a 2 times space, that's why I am giving 2. Character is a is a 2, C is 1, D is 1, E is 1. Like that we can find out the occurrences, how many repeated characters are available in the particular string. This way we can write nothing to, just you can first we need to convert the string to streams format. First we need to convert into strings to stream. That is only one option is you can use the arrays dot streams. In these streams you can pass the string value or array values, you can pass anything. This is the way to can split, you can convert in the streams format. Then you can use the collectors, you can use the group by. This is function identity. That means you can identify the character. That is which character this is identifying and collecting that character and storing into the counter character. String dot long. String means you can use the character. Long means number of how many times is repeated. This way we can occurrence. That means repeated characters available in the string. We can find out and then we can display the result. This is one of the question. This is very important question. Actually, every interview asking this type of question. This is a mandatory question. That's why you can remember this one. This is very easy also implementing. This is one way using Java 8 streams. If you need more information about this topic, could you please ping me in the below comment box? Could you please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.